There are two extremes when it comes to cooking pork. The lean tender cuts require really careful cooking in order not to dry them out, while the more flavorful cuts require long, slower cooking in order to tenderize the meat. Now, boneless country-style pork ribs can certainly be slow cooked to a falling apart tenderness, but they can also be cooked in a shorter period of time and still be quite delicious. The country-style ribs are actually cut from an area fairly close to the loin, and they have good marbling, which translates to great flavor. And you can see that they're not very large pieces, which also helps with the shorter cooking time. Since I'm experimenting with my Convection Speed oven, I wanted to see how using a combination of convection with microwaves would assist with cooking this cut of pork and speeding things along. Now, because I also want to roast some vegetables at the same time, I'm going to begin by using a combination of convection with microwaves just for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to change the oven mode to convection and add in a tray of potatoes. After about 15 minutes, I'm going to take my Brussels sprouts and fold them in with the potatoes. So by the time that the potatoes and the Brussels sprouts have cooked, the pork should be nice and tender. Now, if you like your ribs with a little bit of barbecue sauce, at the end of the cooking you can certainly brush them with some sauce, and I usually change the oven mode then to convection broil. You don't need the full-on temperature, 425, 430, to get a nice bit of sizzle on the ribs. So, I even had time to make a little packaged cornbread, so all in all, not a bad meal. Give it a try, and I hope you'll enjoy. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.